Let's look at some more pictures and names of animals, birds, and fish. Here's an animal you'll find in the trees. This is a squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. That spells squirrel. Here's a bird that you'll find in the trees too. This is a woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. That spells woodpecker. Here's another great bird. Do you know what it is? It's a goose. G-O-O-S-E. That spells goose. Do you like chicken? This is a chicken. Chicken is spelled C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Moo. I see a cow, and cow is spelled C-O-W. Cow. Bark goes the parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Do you have a fish tank at your house? If you do, you probably have one of these inside. It's a goldfish. A goldfish. G-O-L-D-F-I-S-H. Goldfish are really pretty. Here's a very slow-moving guy who likes to live in his house, which is his shell. It's a turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. That spells turtle. Turtles are great. When I was a little boy, I had this bird at my house. This is a parakeet. P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T. Parakeet. A parakeet is a really great bird. Have you been to the beach or do you live by the beach? Then you'll see these birds. These are seagulls. S-E-A-G-U-L-L-S spells seagulls. Look at this long-tailed guy who lives in a swamp. It's a crocodile. A crocodile is spelled C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. A crocodile has big teeth. Here's one of my favorite creatures in the whole wide world. It's a porpoise. Porpoise is spelled P-O-R-P-O-I-S-E. A porpoise. Bum, 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 bum. This is a shark. Watch out for the shark. S-H-A-R-K. That spells shark. The biggest bird in the whole wide world is an ostrich. An ostrich is spelled O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. This is a polar bear. He lives where it's really, really cold. P-O-L-A-R spells polar. B-E-A This is another kind of bear. This is called a panda. P-A-N-D-A. That spells panda. Do you know what this great animal is? This is a buffalo. We spell buffalo B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. You know, when I go on vacation and go to the beach, I see this bird a lot, and I really, really, really like this bird. This is a pelican. Pelican is spelled P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. They're great. Have you ever seen this fish on the beach? This fish is a starfish. See how it's shaped like a star? It's a starfish, and starfish is spelled S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. That's a starfish. This is a snake. Snake begins with the letter S. S-N-A-K-E spells snake. Do you see the seals? One seal, two seal. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seals like to play in water. Bah is the sound that a goat makes. Here's a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Bah. What do you call a baby sheep? It's a lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. A baby sheep.